Ni hao. I'm Elena Givone, and today I will bring you in the world of photography and especially about maternity photography. First of all, I would like to thank my partners that are supporting us. So, D&J from maternity and newborn props, and VISICO for supplying us with the lights. I will show you how to make a good set, even if you have a small space, and even if you have just a piece of uh, fabric, and how to make a beautiful photos and beautiful dress. And I will show you how to use the light, how to focus on the model, and how to pose the model. So let's call our model and let's start shooting. Here we are with our beautiful model, Mavis. I want to thank her for being with us. And I also want to show you what we are going to use today. VISICO 5 is a very special flash because it's with battery. So using a small studio, it's easy to shoot with the battery mode, so we don't have cables and we can move with our tripod very easily. So here VISICO SB035 120 centimeters. I'm sorry if my English is not so good. So it's a deep octabox. We are using it without a grid. After that, I will show you how to use it with a grid. So this is the flash. It's very good, and I'm using it with a trigger, also TTL. So fabric from D&J. So we just close it with node. We just create it like this. We will ask her to pose, to put this little leg in the front and to good way. One, yes, lovely. The hands like this, very good. The shadow, these are very beautiful fabrics because there are a lot of shadows, and the light is on top. On top. So we just ask to our assistant to move a little bit the fabric, and the result is already very, very beautiful without just move a little bit gently. Yes, in the model we can ask to close your eyes a little bit and think about your baby. Yes, now open. I will count one, drop. Are you ready? Okay, one, two, three. Very good, very special. Okay, we do it always good with the Let's check very well the fabric. Fabric shadow, and it's perfect. Okay, very look, yes. Okay, now look at me. Look at that. Beautiful. One more. Okay, look at the other. Good. Are you ready, assistant? One, two, three. Good. Congratulations. So now I want to add something. It's a rim light. So I will use a flash, so a battery flash. And I will add a little light on the back. So the picture will have some more dimensions, okay? So you can always, with a small flash, it's a compact flash I will show you later, and it's very useful to have. So let's start. Set up so you can, so we put the lights, okay, very good. And you will see how different is rim light on the back. So let's count one, two, three. So then we change to the dress. We just keep the dress like this, and then you can also put, yes. And then you just, this time you will throw the fabric on down, not up, okay? Little down. Yes, beautiful. Are you ready? Yes. One, two. Okay, thank you. Change, and we have this and beautiful color as well. We will just down our light, and still we have no grid. And I will show you also the differences with the grid dress. So move the light, and we can see how it's affecting to her face and to the dress. We'll move the light around, how it works, and then with the light. You okay, and then if I move a little bit more the light to this side, is changing a little bit more, and very interesting on her face. You can see. Turn the face a little bit, yes, and you can check always the light on her face, how it's looking very interesting and very poetic. Very nice. And then we can go a little bit on the back, and we'll change again. You can see, turn your face a little bit, yes. Then you can see on her face how is affected, yes. So another thing I want to set with this, you can use it as a backlight. Okay, closer to the light, closer, 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 yes. So in this way, we just use our beautiful, I will take away my flowers, and we will use her beautiful profile. So just stay like this, yes. Okay, you can use, yes, like this. I will put it a little bit down, okay. See the silhouette of the body, yes. We can use even bigger, then it's much better, because we can have, and okay, relax. Now we change hand, and then we can make this one like this. Okay. And please, this light. Is that we use this as a big window, and then we will see like a silhouette. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. In this case, we use three different lights set up, but very fast, so we can go very smooth in our session. I add a grid. We change also dress, because we have so many beautiful dresses, to see how it works. Again with our beautiful model, and with our beautiful dress. So this dress is very convenient, because we can make again many setup, and playing a lot with fabrics, and make them fly, and doing very beautiful effect. So I love it. And we can start now. We use the grid, so we just put the grid on our flashlight. The light is again okay, made one better, perfect. Just look at me. Okay, very beautiful. And now look at the belly. Yes, beautiful. And now look at the light. Okay, when you ask to the mother to look at the light, don't ask her not many times. I will just add the rim light again. I will show you the studio is very small, but we can do many, many things. Okay, just show you the setup. She looks like a princess. And put one hand on top of belly. Yes, beautiful. Okay, and now we call our assistant to make some movement of the dress. Fantastic. Are you ready? Wait, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. And now we create another one and we change the pose. You just touch your hair a little bit, yes, like you are fixing your hair. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. And then another things that you can always do with the maternity photography is like asking the mother to take her belly and then to like do a movement like you are putting some body lotion. Now I move the light in front. I will just show you the setup now. Okay. So I just go here, look at me, and now close your eyes. Nice, that's lovely. Yes, lovely. So that's so very easy. Thank you so much. And it's very easy. You just move the light, you create. You always have to look how the light is going on the dress and on the face, on the body. We can create many things, but we go with the next dress. I will show you how to use LED light.